morning, Damascus. I hope everyone is having a fantastic, super day today. I mentioned this Internet for Classrooms, Common Core resources on Wednesday when we had IPD, but I didn't really show you as much as it could do because we were so involved with our other instructional Common Core resources, which is fantastic. But I just wanted to bring it back to you today so that you would know you still have additional resources to support Common Core in your teaching and learning when you're tutoring students after school. So look at that email that I sent you back in February to cut down on the time of what I'm going to show you now. You can go to Internet for Classrooms on your own. However, you have to do a search to get to what I'm showing you now. So check out the email that I sent you back in February, and at the bottom it'll show you this: new online practice at I4C. And this is what we want to see: new Common Core mathematics printables at I4C, Internet for Classrooms. New printables, worksheets made available in August. Now let's click here. Here's the list of newest worksheets set by grade levels. You click it, and it gives you several grades. Grade 2, 4, 6, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it just goes on and on and on and on and on. So I definitely wanted to mention this to you so that you would know additional resources that are available for you while you're continuing to teach the students. I clicked on one. Here's a worksheet, instructional resource. It tells you the grade. It tells you the Common Core standard. It'll allow you to print it in a PDF or JPEG. Then it tells you the next worksheet that is available. So let's say you didn't want this one. I want another instructional worksheet. So you can click the next one. So this site has a plethora of resources that you can use to help support the teaching and learning of Common Core in your classroom. And I just wanted to mention it to you. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of your day.